Hello, hello everyone. So, how have you been? I hope you have been doing great and pretty well in your life. And also, I hope you are continuously making progress in your English learning journey. So, my name is Gufran Ahmed, and my journey is quite similar to yours. Let's come to the today's topic. Basically, the today's topic is about the effects and changes on our daily life due to learning English language. When we incorporate something into our lives, then it leads to a multitude of minor changes, or sometimes it can also leads to changes on a larger scale. Now it's been more than a month to start my English speaking journey. Yes, I have started my English speaking journey more than a month. I think 2 months before I have started, and I have been doing a lot of things, a lot of activities to improve my communication. And surprisingly, I am also noticing some changes in my daily life during this journey. So the changes may be positive and negative both. For example, positive changes include boost in confidence, enhanced creativity, improved discipline, and sense of purpose, etc. While the negative changes include overthinking, comparison with others. So, now let us analyze the effects of learning spoken English on our daily life. So, learn to speak English has significant impact on our lives. It improves communication skills, builds a progressive mindset. It also allows us to express our thought and ideas in a effective manner. English is used as a global language. We know that English is used as a global language, and it also offers us to connect with others easily. Apart from this, it also provides job or career opportunities. Moreover, it enhances to access information because a large portion of internet, books, and media contents is in English. So learning English language help us stay informed and updated. But it can also have some negative changes like overthinking. Overthinking make us feel uncomfortable, and it leads to inconsistency. And also comparison with others might cause discouragement, and it can further leads to a feelings of inferiority. Added to it, changing in daily routine make us feel uncomfortable, and also inconsistent practice make us feel hesitate. So these are the positive and negative changes on our daily life. But apart from these effects and changes on our daily life, I am also experiencing something irritating while learning speaking English. So the irritating thing is I take two pauses while speaking English. So the question arises, why do I pause too much when it comes to speaking English? So pauses too much is common for a beginner. As we know that at first, whenever we try to speak or our brain try to do many things at once, such as choosing right words, forming correct sentence structure, and thinking of ideas. And also, it takes time to express suitable statement, suitable sentence. Second, if we couldn't speak English regularly, then our mind will not forming sentences quickly, and it further leads us to hesitate and pauses. And also, in addition to it, overthinking create unnecessary pressure, and this unnecessary pressure further creates hesitation, and ultimately it leads to more pauses, right? So these are the things which is going to affect our life during learning this language, learning to speak English. So in this week 4 video, we have discussed the effects and changes on our life during this journey. Now, in our next and last video of this ongoing series, this is our series, ongoing series, Build Your Confidence, Start Your Journey. So, in our last and next video of this ongoing series, we will discuss monotony in English. That means after after sometimes we don't enjoy to speak English because we make our mind in a comfortable zone. We don't have too much vocabulary, too much topics, and too much advanced words. So basically, the monotony in English speaking is also known as plateau effect in English language learning. Till next video, take good care of yourself. I promise I'll see you soon. So, thank you and bye.